How to cash out on Kalshi app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of cashing out your funds from the Kalshi app, and the whole process only takes a minute. So what you're going to do is first of all open Kalshi app and log into your account, and you'll be able to see Explore over here. And once you're at Explore, you're going to click on these three horizontal lines at the top left. And here you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you're going to search for the option of transfers. So you'll be able to see the option of deposit to Kalshi, but if you have any cash or portfolio within your account, you'll be able to see an option called withdraw cash or bank transfer just below the deposit to Kalshi. And once you click on that, you'll be able to pick the bank account you want to send your money to. Simply tap and hold on the bank option, then enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. This could be $5, $55, or any available balance in your account. And once you've entered the amount, tap and review to double check everything. If all details look correct, go ahead and press submit withdrawal. After that, your withdrawal request will be processed and the money will be sent directly to your selected bank account. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.